Hi, this is Priyadarshini. I am the founder of Adhyapana Academy. It's located in Chennai. I'm here to talk about the crash course, which is scheduled from the following Sunday, which is November 13th, 2022. This crash course is on the subject of strategic financial management, which is one of the challenging papers in final. So how am I just thought of sharing a video on telling you how I'm going to go ahead about this crash course. So regarding the crash course, I'm having a separate material which is prepared exclusively for this crash course. We will be doing sums from that particular material only. So as regards the course content, I will be doing topics such as capital budgeting, leasing, security analysis and portfolio management, mutual funds, derivatives, and forex. So this is a 20-day crash course wherein each session is for 3 hours. So it is totally 60 hours of class. In this 60 hours of class, I will be explaining all the concepts in the chapters which I just listed out. So after explaining all these concepts, we will be doing sums from the material which I will be providing for this particular class. Okay. So it is available at a nominal fee of rupees 2000. Every session will be recorded. It is a live class, but still every session will be recorded and the recordings will be provided as a backup to the students who have enrolled for the classes. So please quickly join the classes so that you can make use of the opportunity. I am having more than 15 years of experience in this teaching field and I can definitely deliver you a very good content. Thank you.